Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize many industries and create new opportunities for those with the skills and knowledge to harness its power. One of the ways people can capitalize on this technology is by making money with AI. In this video, we will explore a few ways you can use AI to earn money. One of the most obvious ways to make money with AI is by developing and selling AI-powered products or services. This can include creating software for businesses to automate tasks, such as data entry or customer service, or developing chatbots to handle customer inquiries. These tools can save companies time and money, which makes them an attractive option for many businesses. Additionally, you can also develop intelligent personal assistants for consumers that can help them with their daily tasks. Another way to make money with AI is by providing consulting services. As more and more companies look to integrate AI into their operations, there will be a growing demand for experts who can help organizations navigate this complex and rapidly changing field. This could include helping companies develop new products and services, or identifying areas where AI could be used to streamline their operations and increase efficiency. Another area you can explore is in the field of data science, where AI and machine learning is heavily used. You can work as a data scientist, or data analyst, or even work as a researcher in AI and ML. These positions often require a strong understanding of statistics, programming, and machine learning. So if you have these skills, you may be well suited for this type of work. Creating and selling AI-powered apps. You can create mobile or web apps that use AI to provide a unique and valuable service to users. For example, you could create a personal finance app that uses AI to help users make better investment decisions, or a fitness app that uses AI to create personalized workout plans. Building AI-based games. You can develop games that use AI to create unique and challenging gameplay experiences. These can be sold as mobile apps or on gaming platforms like Steam. Developing AI-based artworks. Some artists are using AI to create unique and interesting artworks. You can develop AI-based algorithms to create art, and then sell them to art collectors and galleries. Lastly, you can also make money with AI by investing in companies and startups that are working on AI-related projects. As the field of AI continues to grow and evolve, there will likely be many opportunities for investors to profit from this technology. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with AI, and the field is still in its infancy, which means there are plenty of opportunities to get involved and make your mark. Whether you're a developer, a data scientist, a consultant, or an investor, there's never been a better time to explore the possibilities of AI and see how you can use this powerful technology to earn money.